Okay, so we are going to look at conversions again. So remember how I told you yesterday that you were going to get this measurement conversions and you were going to get the puzzle pieces. Well, the only two puzzle pieces that aren't on this chart that we had to do yesterday was our 1 yard equaling 3 feet and our 1 foot equaling 2 inches. So I put those on there for you so you could use as a helpful resource. So this slide is going to be very important to you to use in the next few slides. So you have where you had to convert 19 feet to inches. Okay, so this is what we call, and setting it up as a proportion. Okay, we need to figure out feet to inches. So I know that I'm automatically going to do 19 feet, and I'm going to put it over 1. Okay, but then I have to figure out, okay, I want to put where feet is across from feet. So in 1 foot, how many inches are there? Well, again, think of a ruler. How many inches are in a ruler? There's 12 inches in a ruler. So you have 12 inches. So 12 goes on top. Okay? And the reason you do this is you set it up as a proportion because you're trying to convert feet to inches. And in this case, if you're putting feet on top and feet on bottom, they cancel each other out. So, oops, let me bring those forward. You won't have to worry about doing this. I will do it for you. So bring to front. So you have to cross off feet and cross off feet. So now your feet are no longer around. It's now going to be inches. And what you need to make sure you do here is your goal is always to kind of have 1 on the bottom. Not always going to happen, but you're always trying to put 1 on the bottom. Or you're trying to put your ratio or your proportion in this case over 1, or having at least 1 in your fraction or proportion in this case. So 1 is on the bottom. Okay, because you want to know it out of 1. So you have to show your work to get 19 times 12. So you're going to do 19 times 12 over here. 19 times 12. And then you have to multiply. 2 times 9 is 18, and we're going to do this quickly because I know you're all thinking, well, why is she doing the work when the answer's right there? Because it's not always going to have your answer like that. You're going to have to type it in, and we need to practice our multiplication. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So you have your 3. Put your 0 below because you're crossing off that 2. Crossing it off. So now 1 times 9 is 9. And then 1 times 1 is 1. And then we add those up. We add them up. You get 8 plus 0, 8. 9 plus 3, 12. Whoops, not 2. 1 plus 1, 2. So you get your answer of 228. So you have 228 inches in 1 foot. Or I'm sorry, in 19 feet, not 1 foot. Woo! In 19 feet. Okay? And that's how you do conversions as a proportion.